Hi, this is Sarek Halalat. In this video, I'll be talking about affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? How can you start in affiliate marketing? So if this is the first time you're visiting my channel, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any future videos. I'll be sharing my screen with you, so please hold on. Hi, we're back, and in this video we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? How to start in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the smartest way to start a business with almost zero investment and earn passive monthly income. The advantage of affiliate marketing is that you don't have to start your own business or create any products and risk losing money. All the hard work has been done for you, including all the advertising content such as sales page, pre-written emails, social media posts. The best affiliate program also include free training from experienced online internet marketing experts. It's a win-win for everyone. In affiliate marketing, you promote someone else's product or company that has proven to convert in exchange for a share of the profit. The company or product creator can afford to pay you because they don't have to pay huge amounts of money to advertise, because affiliates like you will be generating leads and sales for them. When you sign up to be an affiliate, you will receive a unique affiliate link which has a unique ID that informs the company of any leads or sales generated by you. A sale can earn you 100% of the commission with monthly recurring commission of 30 to 50%. The secret is to find a trustworthy affiliate program that pays a good commission. Ideally 100% for the front end sale and at least 30% monthly recurring commissions. There are many reputable affiliate platforms like ClickBank, and most of you will know about Amazon. Unfortunately, Amazon pays little commissions. The only way to see worthwhile commission is if you have a list with thousands of subscribers. Alternatively, you can create review blogs, videos, and wait for organic traffic, which is basically free traffic. Check the first link in the comments below this video for my recommended affiliate program, which pays 100% front-end sale and 30% recurring monthly commission. Also, you will have access to all the online tools and training such as one-click automated sales funnel automated sales funnel builder, easy drag and drop sales funnel, and website builder, which are tools that are essential if you're going to be serious about affiliate marketing. You also will have access to a drag and drop autoresponder which automates emails. You get Facebook and Instagram chatbots and much more, including website hosting for 15 domains. There are about 34 tools which you're going to get full access to. The price is $1. It's a trial for 1 month. You don't have to proceed with it, so you can just decide not to go ahead with it. It's just $1 for a whole month, and you get access to every single tool, including webinar. There are so many tools. Also, the training is very good. You get Facebook training, YouTube training, Google training. There's so much training already included. The training alone is worth hundreds. I don't want to say exaggerate and say thousands, but definitely hundreds. There's also a free plan, but with limitations. For 99% of people wishing to start an online business, affiliate marketing is how they can earn money while they sleep. Once you learn how to set up and automate the process, all the hard work is done. I'm going to explain the exact process to automate your lead generation and sales process. First, find a reputable affiliate program and sign up. The affiliate program should provide a solution to a problem. a program that you're happy to be part of as you're helping your customers. I have a simple rule. If I'm not prepared to pay for a program, I'm not going to promote it. Treat your leads and customers the way you would like to be treated. Once you have your affiliate link, you have to generate traffic to the offer and build your list at the same time. There are two types of traffic: organic traffic such as blogs, social media posts, video reviews, and there is paid traffic from Google, Facebook, YouTube, and so on. So this is the affiliate program, and this is where you start driving traffic. So you need to set up a simple funnel using the recommended platform below in the comments. Drive traffic to a lead capture page, a valuable lead magnet like this one. So this is a lead capture page, or it's also called the squeeze page. Let me show you. Basically it's something like this. So you drive traffic to a lead capture page like this one. You're offering your subscribers something of value, something like a PDF book, webinar, video, access to a course, whatever. It's something that's going to benefit your customers, and in exchange they're going to give you their name and email address. So once your prospect enters their email, two things will happen. They will be taken to a bridge page or a thank you page, which is which is an introduction to you as a person, and informs them about the next process of the offer. It also tells your story, so it tells them who you are, what's your relation to this product, and how you're benefiting from this product and how others have benefited. But the purpose of a bridge page is not to sell the offer, it's just mainly an introduction to the offer and yourself. So the prospect will also receive, let me go back to this. So once they opt in, it goes to a bridge page, and then at the same time they will receive a welcome email, which tells them more about, tells them again about who you are, your story, your relationship to the product and the benefits of the product. And also after the bridge page, it will go to the affiliate page or sales page, and then hopefully they're going to love the product and sign up. But if they don't sign up, the follow-up emails will also help them to highlight the benefits of your product, because sometimes people are just too busy. They could be on the train, bus or something, and they may want to sign up and then later on they forget. So the email is to remind them of the product, the benefits, and ideally with the emails, especially at the beginning, you should provide as much value as possible, because that's the best way to build trust and relationship with your subscribers. The best policy is always over delivering. You can also remind subscribers gently by the benefits of joining your program. Always make sure when you send emails, subscribers can easily unsubscribe if they no longer want to hear from you. If you join with my link below in the comments, I will give you also my sales funnels, my email swipes with some exclusive training in traffic generation to build your list. You can also connect with me personally to receive one-on-one help. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Any questions, just feel free to contact me. Thank you very much for watching this video.